Mr. Wilson buys tiles for his living room floor. Each tile is a square tile with sides 17 inches. Calculate the area of one tile. Now, the tile that he has, they are square tiles. Now, when we're looking at a square has all sides that are equal in length. And so that means that the length and the width of the square are equal. Now, the area of a square is length times width. And so we're going to take the length of the square, which is 17 inches, and we're going to multiply it by the width of the square, which is 17 inches as well. And so that means that we have 17 multiplied by 17, which is 289 inches squared. And so that's our answer here, 289 inches squared. Next, it states that he needs to cover an area of 63,580 inches squared. And so they're asking us, how many tiles does he need in order to cover this area? And so what we need to do is we need to divide. So we're going to take 63,580 inches squared and divide it by the area of one tile, which is 289 inches squared. And when we divide it, we get 220. And so that means that the number of tiles that he needs is going to be 220 tiles. So we need 220 tiles in order to cover an area of 63,580 inches squared. Next, it says that there are 12 tiles in each box and only whole boxes can be purchased. How many boxes does Mr. Wilson need to buy? And so in order for us to do that, we know that he needs 220 tiles altogether. So we're going to divide that by 12 because there are 12 tiles in each box. And when we divide it, we get 18.33333 and continuing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to, but they want us to ask, they want us to answer how many boxes does he need. Remember, only whole boxes can be purchased. So our answer has to be a whole number. So if we say, okay, if we say 18.333, this is not the correct answer because it has to be a whole number. And this is not a whole number, this is a decimal. So, okay, let's try 18. If we say that he needs 18 boxes, well, 18 boxes wouldn't contain enough tiles for him to cover the whole floor. Okay, so we have to go, it has to be more than 18 boxes. So we have to use 19 boxes because 19 boxes would be more than enough for him to complete the whole thing. And so, but we can't use 18, that'll be too much. So the best amount of boxes that we need is definitely going to be 19. 19 is going to do the job for us. 19 is going to contain enough for him to be able to get 220 tiles and be able to complete the job. And so our answer here for the number of boxes that he need is going to be 19 boxes because 18 is going to be too little. And so that's our answer for this question.